Hi, I'm MrMathEng, and this is my house, and I'm going to show you 15 geometric concepts in my house.
Oh, hello there. Sorry about that. Do you have my glasses by any chance? Thank you about that. So, this is a point. A point is one-dimensional. It is usually represented by a small dot. Oh, sorry there. Alright, so this is a line. A line extends in one dimension. A line is represented by a straight line with two arrowheads showing that it extends without end in two directions.
This is a plane. A plane extends in two dimensions. It is usually represented by a shape that looks like a tabletop or a wall. You must imagine that a plane extends without end, even though the drawing may look like it has edges.
Okay, so this is a line. It keeps going on in both directions, but this is a line segment. A line segment is part of line that has 2 points on each side called endpoints, and consists of all the points between the endpoints.
This is a right angle. A right angle is an angle with a measure equal to 90 degrees.
This is an acute angle. An acute angle is an angle with a measure between 0 and 90 degrees. Oh, well hello there. I'm a British scholar, and this must be an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle that measures between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. It's bloody brilliant.
These two segments are congruent, and because of that, this is the midpoint. A midpoint divides or bisects a segment into two congruent segments.
This is a segment, and this is a segment bisector. A segment bisector is a segment, ray, line, or plane that intersects a segment at its midpoint. This is an angle, and this is an angle bisector. An angle bisector is a ray that cuts the angle into two adjacent but congruent angles.
These are vertical angles. Vertical angles are angles whose sides form opposite rays. Vertical angles are congruent. This is a linear pair. A linear pair is made up of two adjacent angles whose uncommon sides are opposite rays. Linear pairs add up to 180 degrees. These are perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect to form a right angle. These are parallel lines. Parallel lines are two lines that are coplanar and do not intersect. This is a transversal. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more coplanar lines at different points.